Here's a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 four-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Particular car powered by a 390 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Also power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille. Chrome headlight surrounds. Be a fun one to get in. Take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Has had a repaint to black. Black paint does show its age in a few spots. I mean, it's black, it's been driven. You're gonna have a few imperfections here and there, but hey, one to get in, turn the key, go have a little fun. If you wanna check out the still pictures, so you can see this one from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's gonna take you right there. And of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Interior is red on red fabric and crushed vinyl, which is the way this would have been produced back in 1964. Still stock looking dash. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let you take a peek at the chrome here on the rear of the vehicle. Also does show its age a little bit here. A little bit of pitting on the top. But again, condition of this one, get in and drive it. Have some fun. Looks like there was a little bit of previous work back here, I noticed also. And again, take your time, look through the still pictures, look at the underside, trunk, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Easiest way to find it's clicking that link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. Let's take a little peek at the rear seats. And it is faded slightly, you can see. But as far as rips, tears, holes, looks good as far as that's concerned. Looks like the original door panels. Little repair right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. We'll fire it up, let's hear it run too. Check out that engine compartment. Again, looks like the original door panel. Front seats. Headliner intact. Good shape. Fires up easily. Here's gas gauge, is working as it should. That was also a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temperature gauge to be up. I have not gotten the radio to power up. Blower fan works, wipers work. Take a look at the top of the dash. Not too bad, but listen to this 390, nice sounding engine. Kind of a deep, throaty exhaust note. This is one of those classics you can get into. It's not going to break the bank. Not like buying a two-door hard top or something with a big block. This is one you can buy it, like I said, without breaking the bank. Drive it, enjoy it, have some fun. All right, slip up to the front, pause this a second. We'll get the hood open, check out this engine bay. We'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go with the hood pops. Underside, there's that 390 V8 underneath the hood. I believe it was Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. Again, power steering. Doesn't look too bad. Nice and tidy underneath there. Heater hose is still hooked up. Smooth runner. And sounds good. All in one. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 four-door sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.